Then I can pull the maximum trigger. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Shark Cordless Pet Vacuum Cleaner. Here I got a big mess on hardwood floors. We're also going to see how it cleans on carpet. So this is how it's in the stored position. It's got two positions, hardwood floor and carpet, and then we have a max button that is spring loaded. So we're simply going to install it and then we're ready to go. Then I can pull the maximum trigger for maximum suction. It rolls really easy. It pivots really good. Let's try up against the wall. You know, it did a pretty good job for the first, going over it a couple times. This is a pretty big mess. It rolls really